Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video. A lot of iPhone users have told me that focus is not working on iPhone and share across devices toggle is gray out in iOS 15. So today's video I'm going to teach you how to fix this issue. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi internet connection. If your Wi-Fi is not strong, share across devices will not work and it will be gray out on your iOS device. The second thing you need to do is log in with same Apple ID on your all devices. As you can see, I have two mobiles and both have same Apple ID logged in. This method will not work if you have not logged an Apple ID in all your devices. The third thing you need to do is update your Apple ID settings. For that, just open the settings application on your iPhone and tap on update Apple ID settings. Here, tap on continue. Now it will ask your Apple ID password. So type your Apple ID password here. After entering the password, tap on sign in at the top right corner of the page. Now enter iPhone passcode. After entering the Apple ID password, your Apple ID will be updated. So guys, wait 5 to 10 minutes after updating Apple ID and then go back to focus and see if focus is working or not. As you can see, focus is working now on my iPhone. So friends, if this method also doesn't work on your iPhone, then try the next method. The next thing you need to do is sign out of your iCloud account for a while and then sign it back into your iPhone. To sign out Apple ID, go to iCloud account on your iPhone. Here, swipe down and sign out your iCloud account. Now it will ask your iCloud password, so type your iCloud password here and then type on sign out at the top right corner of the page. Tap on sign out again to confirm. Now wait for a while and then sign it back into your iPhone or iPad. After resigning your iCloud account, wait for 5 to 10 minutes and then your problem will be solved. That's it.